are saying hard water, one of its advantages, it stops lead poisoning. Yes, and how does it stop lead poisoning? Usually when hard water passes through lead pipes, usually it reacts with lead, forming insoluble lead carbonate, which is strong enough to prevent the further reaction. And so lead poisoning gets stopped along the way. We can note down that when hard water passes through lead pipes, when hard water passes through lead pipes, it reacts with lead, forming insoluble lead carbonate, which stops further reaction. Which stops further reaction. Secondly, one of the advantages of hard water we can talk of, it strengthens teeth and bones. When we consume it, when we drink hard water, the fact that it contains calcium ions, and the fact that calcium ions are responsible for the strengthening of bones and teeth in our bodies, then we look at this as an advantage of hard water. So we can note down this. We can say hard water strengthens bones, strengthens bones since it contains calcium ions. Let's look at methods we can use to remove hard water. Methods we can use to soften water, to remove hardness of water. If it is temporary hard water, or if it is permanent hard water, how can we remove it? How can it be removed? Which methods can we use to remove temporary hardness of water and permanent hardness of water? We have got different types of methods that are applicable in our day-to-day lives. We can use the method of boiling to remove temporary hardness of water. Because temporary hardness of water, as we have seen, it is caused by calcium hydrogen carbonate and magnesium hydrogen carbonate. And when these hydrogen carbonates are heated, then carbonate salts are formed, and we see water being set free of this temporary hardness of water. Let's look at methods of softening water. methods of softening water. One, we are looking at boiling method. One, by boiling the water. And by boiling the water, we would say by boiling the water, calcium hydrogen carbonate calcium hydrogen carbonate and magnesium hydrogen carbonate and magnesium hydrogen carbonate are converted into calcium or magnesium carbonate. Let's look at the equation for these reactions. Calcium hydrogen carbonate when it is heated, then we get calcium carbonate and we get water, and this water is free of hardness. Magnesium hydrogen carbonate, when it is heated, then we get magnesium carbonate. We get magnesium carbonate and water which is free of hardness. In addition of these products, calcium hydrogen carbonate, when it is heated, yes, we get calcium carbonate, water, and then carbon dioxide is also liberated in all cases, because also as applied to magnesium hydrogen carbonate, when heated, magnesium carbonate is produced, water is produced, and carbon dioxide gas is also liberated, is also produced. Let's look at the second method, which we can use to remove hardness of water. The second method is by distillation of water. And this method, distillation, it is used to remove both temporary and permanent hardness of water. We can note down this second method by distillation method. This is used to remove both temporary and permanent hardness of water. The third method that we can use to remove hardness of water is by the addition of sodium carbonate solution. Is by addition of sodium carbonate solution. The addition of sodium carbonate solution also helps in removing both permanent and temporary hardness of water. This removes both permanent and temporary hardness of water. Let's look at the equation for these reactions. Let's see how sodium carbonate can remove permanent hardness of water, and let's see how this sodium carbonate can also remove let's see how it can remove temporary hardness of water and how it can remove permanent hardness of water by illustration of equations. Temporary hardness of water caused by calcium hydrogen carbonate when reacted with sodium carbonate, then we get calcium carbonate, and sodium hydrogen carbonate. We get calcium carbonate and we get sodium hydrogen carbonate, which is 2 moles. And then calcium sulfate, which is hard water, which causes hard water. Calcium sulfate, which causes hard water, when reacted with sodium carbonate, then we shall get calcium carbonate and sodium sulfate. We shall get calcium carbonate and sodium sulfate, and in this way, both temporary and permanent hardness of water are removed. The fourth method we can use is by addition of calcium hydroxide, select line, and this method, it only removes temporary hardness of water. We can note this down. By addition of calcium hydroxide addition of calcium hydroxide select line. And this only removes temporary hardness of water. This only removes temporary hardness of water. Yeah, we need to look at an equation for this. Yeah, calcium hydrogen carbonate which is responsible for temporary hard water when reacted with calcium hydroxide, then we get calcium carbonate and water. We get calcium carbonate and water in a liquid state. Then magnesium hydrogen carbonate when reacted with calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydrogen carbonate when reacted with calcium hydroxide, then we get magnesium carbonate and we get calcium carbonate and water. Get magnesium carbonate, we get calcium carbonate and water. We have got the fifth method which we can use to remove again hardness of water, which is by the addition of ammonia solution. And the addition of ammonia solution also removes only temporary hardness of water.